And the rear wing was very much the sticking point of the regulations because
stage. Open up for BMW.
Have at their disposal.
Touring cars heading out, the Honda Accord number 172. So Stuart White's going to see what he can do now in a car that Tom Christensen used to win races with back in 2000, and a time when touring cars were spent a lot of money on. I have to say, high budgets in touring cars back then.
Yeah, a little bit, how shall I say, I won't say slow, but 6.23 over the first 100 metres isn't going to do it for him. He's going to have to work extremely hard if he's going to put himself on the leaderboard with this car.
Yeah, I mean, it is a touring car. They're 2-litre engines, they're race engines, but they weren't massively powerful. So we are going to see certainly quicker cars. It's good through the corners, though, and that's where it can gain a little bit of speed. But yes, you're right. I don't think this is going to be an outright pace setter. Let's just see what he does as he comes over. It's a 52.86, so he goes 5th fastest now. Stuart in the Honda.
Wow, just wow.
You can get close to the drivers, you can get close to the cars, you can really feel like you're involved in the action.
It's a fun fair, but with cars.